Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 140,000 followers. And I'm here today to share one of my secrets for creating viral content on TikTok. Today we're going to talk about finding your people. If you are progressive clergy, for example, use the Discover button and search the hashtag progressive clergy. That's an easy way to find other progressive clergy creating content on the platform. Then you definitely want to get connected with the hashtag Progressive Clergy Squad on Facebook. If you can't find the group with a basic search, contact me, I'll help connect you. If you want to make service dog content, get connected with other service dog creators. If you're a teacher, get connected with other teachers. Find your people. To give you an idea of how much this can make a difference, when I first got on TikTok, there were about 12 clergy I could find that were making progressive content. Now there are over 280 of us, and our videos have over 400 million views. The little Facebook group we created has been an invaluable source of technical knowledge as well as emotional support and new friends. And if there's not an organization of TikTok creators making the kind of stuff you want to create one. We just started a new group the other week for neurodivergent creators who want to lift each other up and build a community. I've already seen it grow friendships as well as grow accounts. I'll talk about this more in a future video, but cross-promotion and collaboration is one of the top ways to grow your account. Good luck, and be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.